How do multi-ton machines rise effortlessly with the press of a button? The secret lies in the silent force of fluid mechanics. Welcome to the world of hydraulic lifts, a game-changer in industries like construction, automotive, logistics, and more. Today, we'll explore how these incredible systems work and why they're a cornerstone of modern engineering. A hydraulic lift is a mechanical system that uses pressurized fluid to raise or lower heavy loads. It's commonly found in car repair shops, industrial platforms, and elevators. Hydraulic lifts operate on Pascal's law, which states that pressure applied to a fluid in a confined space is transmitted equally in all directions. When hydraulic fluid is pushed into a cylinder, it creates enough force to lift heavy objects with minimal effort. The key components include a hydraulic pump, fluid reservoir, lift cylinder, and control valves. These parts work together to generate, control, and release pressure to operate the lift safely and efficiently. From scissor lifts for vertical height to automotive lifts for service bays and freight elevators in warehouses, hydraulic lifts come in many forms tailored for different tasks. Why choose hydraulics? They offer precise control, smooth movement, minimal maintenance, and high lifting capacity in compact spaces.